Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. Today I'm going to make you a nice lovely simple salad with some leftover stuff which I have with me. Alright, so I got some stir fry rice which I made earlier. I have a little bit left over and I decided to make a stir fry rice salad. There's no egg, it's only chicken in it. So that's the rice. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, add a little bit more spring onion and half of a red onion, which is going to be a little bit more easier. Nice. So I must say to you, I have some racket. I'm going to add the racket to it. And I got some beetroot. This is some leftover salad, so I'm going to add the beetroot, carrot, olive, peppers into it. So instead of I'll chuck it in the bin, I just make a nice salad, which I can just bring this to work with me. It's good to just use leftover stuff. So I'm just gonna fold it into the racket, the rice into the racket, because it got tomato and everything inside of it already. So you won't need anything else more than just simple. I'm gonna just pop a little bit of oil to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is simple. Very simple one, this one. So I'm gonna just pop some into another bowl. Nice one. So what I'm going to do now is just crack a little bit of pepper on top of it. This is some chili and garlic with pepper. Little bit of dry chili. And we are good to go. As you can see for yourself that it's look lovely and nice. So as I say, if you have, this is just a simple little salad rice salad recipe right here, guys, and honestly it is amazing. You know what I mean, these little things is just leftover stuff which you guys can use at home. You know what I mean, if you cook too much things, do not chuck it into the bin. you can always do something with it, just like this. I want to take the time out to say thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. We will come with a lot more recipe like this, guys. It's gonna really easy recipe. You know, if you have leftover stuff, you can just use it to do things at home. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.